Hello everyone, my name is Rakshita Ayangaudar and today I am going to demonstrate about connecting a wired and wireless LAN using Cisco Packet Tracer. Under this we are going to cover the five parts or five steps where the first one is connecting to the cloud, then connecting router 0, then connecting remaining devices, verifying connections and lastly examining the physical topology. And now we will move to the simulation part. Here we have the devices cloud, router 0, router 1, cable modem, configuration, terminal, netcat.pka, the server, switch, home PC, family PC, home printer, wireless router. Initially, we are going to connect this using the wire. First, we are going to connect the router 0 to cloud. Here we are using the copper straight to wire and we are going to connect the router 0 to the cloud. And nextly we are connecting cloud to cable modem and we are using the coaxial cable. And next from router 0 to router 1 and we are using serial DCE. And we can see here the green arrows indicating the connection has been established correctly. And then we are connecting router 0 to server and we are using here copper straight through, sorry, not copper straight through, copper crossover. And next from router 0 to configuration terminal and we are using here console. And next from router 1 to switch, and we should be aware the to use the right type of wires. Here we are using the fiber cable to connect from router 1 to switch, and next from modem to wireless router, and we are using the copper straight through. And next from wireless router to family PC, again we are using the copper straight through. We can see the green blinking arrow indications here, and this indicates that all the connections are correct. We have used the right type of wires. And now next part is to check the fourth part, that is verify the connections. To do this we are going to family PC, where at the desktop, and at command prompt we are typing ping netacad netacad.pka. This will take a while. We can verify the connection whether if it is right or wrong by using this command ping netacad.pka. Could not find host. Let's do it again. We have typed the wrong command here, so we was getting an error there. In the sense, the request could not find the host, and we'll do it again. We can see here we have got the minimum, maximum, and average time, and we have verified the connection here. We'll come back, and again we'll come to desktop here and web browser, and we'll type http colon slash slash netacad.pk. We can see here my favorite page has been displayed here. This did run here, and we'll now come to the home PC, desktop, command prompt, and we'll ping the IP address here. Ping 172.16.0.2. We are seeing here request timed out, and we'll do it again. We have verified the connection here. The connection has been established rightly, and then we'll go to configuration terminal. We'll go to terminal. We'll accept all these default values, and then we are typing here show IP interface brief. Here we have uh, all the statuses of interface. We can see the status of the interfaces here. Interfaces IP address and statuses protocols, and hence we have verified all the connections. And next part is to examine the physical topology. To do this, we can shift to the physical topology by shift P, or else we have here the physical option here. We can click here, and now home city. After clicking, we can see here secondary network, primary network, cloud, home network. We will first go to cloud. We can see here the wire connected here. This wire is showing the source device cloud, and the type of cable is coaxial, source port is coaxial 7, and all the details of the wire. And next here source device is router 0, and cable type is copper straight through. This is the cloud, and we'll see now primary network. We'll check all the wires. Here this wire is showing the router 0 source device, source port ethernet, fast ethernet 0/0, then cable type copper straight through. In the same way we can check for all the wires here, source device router 0. And next for this wire, same thing for router 0, copper crossover cable type. And here also the same thing. We can see at the destination port RS232, copper rollover cable type. And here we have the configuration terminal. We can see the physical topology of what we done before for the logical topology. Here this wire is the where which we saw before here. Next we'll come to the secondary network. Here we can see the rack and the power distribution device 1, and we can see the blinking LED here, green LED. This is the physical topology for second network, and we'll go to now home network. We can see here we have two tables and family PC, home printer, home PC, wireless router, and all the wires connected. So this was all about the physical topology. We did complete all the parts here. Now we'll shift to the logical topology. For this logical topology, we did see now the physical topology. This is all about the demonstration. Thank you.